Hi everybody from John's Model Works again. Today we are working on the USS Kelvin again. This is an intermediate painting step. So what I have done at this point is I have used the Aztec Dummy masks on the saucer section and on the hulls to do the first color, which is dark gray. That's why you can see the dark gray spots all around the painting mask. I decided to keep using the Aztec Dummy masks on the saucer section, which is why I've reapplied it in slightly different locations for the saucers. For the hulls and the warp nacelle, I decided instead to use this material. This is Parafilm M, which is a waxy, stretchable film that you just unroll, you stretch it out, and then you just stick it down over your piece. There's no adhesive on the film, but because it uses a lot of parafilm wax in it, if you push it down with your warm fingers against the piece, the heat from your fingers will make it soften just a little bit and make it adhere just enough to stick to the piece. So what you can see here is you can see that these slightly shinier areas are where the film is, and these not so shiny spots are where I came along with an X-Acto knife, and following the panel lines on the ship, I just cut out panels, and I tried to make them a little bit different on each side of this piece of the ship, so it will look similar but not identical. So that's the goal there, and I also did it here on this engineering hull here. So again, you can see, a shiny spot here and a not shiny spot here, and these open exposed spots will receive paint. This stuff comes off really easy. It's very stretchy, so after the paint is cured, you just pull it right off. So here we are, ready to do the next step on USS Kelvin, the light gray Aztec paneling. Thanks very much from John's Model Works.